In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a laser rangefinder. You know, this is something that's great for hunting or golfing or maybe any type of outdoor, maybe construction or something like that. And you know, it came in this little black box right here, but I'm just going to open it up. When you open it up, it just comes basically inside of a little pouch right here. You get a calibration card, a microfiber cloth for cleaning it, and I think, yeah, a USB-C cable. That's exactly what that is, USB-C. Then you get the instruction manual here. Now, I'll go over the instruction manual here in a minute. Let me just put the box aside. So opening this thing up, let me show you the unit in itself right here. This package is actually pretty cool. It has a little belt loop on it right there. And here's the unit. The name of this is called the AquilaPro. And you can see the different types. The laser comes out right there. There's the viewfinder, and I think that's a secondary viewfinder down there. And you can kind of adjust it a little bit right here, turning that. The USB-C charging is right here. And this thing is IP54 waterproof because it would be used for hunting or hunting trips or something like that. And then let me just kind of like show you how this thing works. So it has 6 different modes. There's kind of like an all-in-one mode, then there's a scanning mode, and then there's a 2-point height adjustment. But really what I use is the kind of just the basic kind of rangefinder type mode. And way you would do it, you would turn it on up here on this button here. There's a mode button here to switch through all 6 modes. Then when you want to use it, you put it. And I tell you what, I took this down to a local park where a little lake that I had, and I just did the distance on the buoys and where the docks were. And let me click over and show you some of that footage now. And then we'll see how this thing works when I take it down to the park. So let's do that. All right, here we are, everybody. I'm out here at a little small like park close to my house here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the rangefinder here. This is a perfect setup for it. So let's say I was hunting or something, and right over there on the other side of the lake would be like a deer or something, maybe a hog or a bear, maybe whatever you're hunting, and I have my rangefinder here, and I need to find my range. Obviously, I'm not hunting today, but I do like to know how wide is this area. I'm back here at a little cove, and I'm curious how wide this is. So let's go ahead, take the rangefinder out. Let me see if you can see through the lens. This is very difficult to show on camera here, but I'm gonna do the best I can. So I'm gonna put it up like that, and you can see how it has yards, it has modes, how it has different lengths on it. I can't even see it through the viewfinder there, but see how I can all the way on the other side of the bank. That gives me an idea on, so let's see if we can do it. So once you set the mode, you're gonna hit the power button and it gives you the yards. I think you can see that it's about 36 yards there, go on up, 35 yards. So let's eyeball that tree right there. That's a good indication of it. It looks like that tree is 34 yards to there. So I like this thing. I think this would be perfect for someone that's, you know, you could use it golfing, you could use it, or like me, just use it to see what the distance of a little cove is right here. I think that's a good use for it there. I don't know if you can get depth of water. No, one thing it can't do, it can't go through water, so I can't find water depth, but I can see the distance of all the way across there. Seems pretty accurate. Obviously, I don't have a measuring tape and measure out through there, but I trust it enough. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the AquilaPro rangefinder. Check it out. See you on the next video.